Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I clean my pans. I'm just going to show you how I clean two of them because those are like the dirtiest and the other ones aren't that dirty. So yeah, here they are. This is the first one. As you can see, it's not that shiny and it has some nasty buildup up here. Ew! So please ignore that. Ooh, that was like something else on it. But, oh, and here's the other one. Ooh. It's this one. It's like the one I boil my rice in. As you can see, it has like these little, ooh, wobble wobble. It has like some of these little spots and like what I call rainbow tinting. It's not called that. Maybe it is. I don't know, but to me it's called that because it has like this bluish color to it. So yeah, that's why I call it that. This isn't good for pans with like the Teflon and stuff. I don't know about, I think it can do ceramic too, but not either way. It's not Teflon, okay? Because then the coating will get damaged and that's not a good thing. What I'm using today for this is my best friend. I'm kidding. That would be sad. But it's called Barkeeper's Friend. It's like a stain remover and multi-surface cleaner, okay? It's hard to get in the Netherlands, but in the US it's easy to get. Because I live in the Netherlands, I had to like order it, like one site had it or something, okay? So I was really happy. So I really recommend this product. I'll link it in the description below and I'll try and find a link for the Dutch people. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, before you do anything, you have to first clean your pans with like dish soap and like a brush or like a sponge so that like it is as clean as possible. Okay guys, I just saw on the bottle that you're supposed to wear eye protection. It literally says very small letters, so they should make those letters bigger because safety first. It says causes a serious eye irritation, wash hands thoroughly after handling, and wear eye protection. So guys, before you buy, you gotta buy safety eye thingies, because you know, safety first. Here we are. My lab goggles from uni. Yeah, doesn't it look cool? I mean, now I look really smart and I feel smart, and being smart is cool because I feel cool when I feel smart. Does that make sense? No, it doesn't. But okay, yeah. Wear eye protection, okay? Okay guys, I quickly checked on the bottle and it says it should be fine with ceramic, okay? So, okay, and also do not have your nails done like right before because it will ruin your nails because it's abrasive. See guys, I care about y'all. The instruction says sprinkle Barkeeper's Friend onto a wet cloth or sponge and rub gently and rinse, okay? The thing with this pan is it has brushed metal, which means, oh, that looks really dirty guys, I'm sorry. But it has like these lines. I don't know if it's easy to see, but it has like these lines. It's not like smooth. So it has like lines, and when it has that, you have to like go with the lines. So I'll have to go in a circular motion, okay? Okay, here is my cloth. I'm gonna make it wet. It doesn't say. It doesn't say anything about temperature, so I guess that doesn't matter. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna kind of shake it first because it does kind of clump up a little bit. So yeah, okay, this is not girl friendly. Okay. Okay. Oopsie. Yeah, here we go. That should do it for now. Oopsies. I'm such a klutz. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I tend to use quite a bit of this because I don't know how much you're supposed to use. So yeah. Oh, and it does kind of smell funny. So guys, remember that. Have the ventilation on. Right now I do not have it on because it's quite loud, and then you can hear that in the video, and I don't like that. Okay? Okay, this, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but this area is already looking a whole lot better. It works really well. Like it also really helps with rust. I don't have rust on here, but I had like this really bad stain once. That did take a while for it to come off. And it says, if you have like stubborn stains, you need to like make a paste and let it, put it on the pan and let it sit for a bit. And then you could take it off. Okay. Smush it, because that makes it not fly around as much. Nice little tip. I think after this, I'm also going to clean my this like countertop, because it has like some weird spots and that I can't get off really easily. But they'll probably do that in another video. Phew, this is a real workout. And I already did my arms today, so yeah. As you can see, that like buildup on the side takes quite a bit of effort to get off, but the stuff in the middle is really easy, because you can see here it's like already like super shiny. All right, maybe I should show y'all a close-up. See, look, it looks so much better. I haven't done this area yet, but mainly this area, and it just looks so much better. Okay guys, I think this pan is done. I'm gonna quickly rinse it. I mean, look how much shinier it is. Okay, see guys, look at that. It's like brand new. It's beautiful. I haven't done the sides or the bottom, but I'm gonna do that another day because I have stuff to do today, okay? Yeah, so that one's done. Before you actually use it, I would actually use dish soap and stuff again to get like the stuff off, because I'm pretty sure that's not good for you, the stuff to ingest. Now we'll go on with the next pan. Remember, this is the one that has like, that looks like this. I'm pretty sure this one's gonna look a lot better really quickly.
Okay, let's get some stuff. Smush it a little bit. I can smush it, whatever.
Look at that, it looks so much better already. Now I'm gonna do the sides, because it has like this line, and I think that's because of like, that's where the boiling water stops. So yeah, I'll quickly do that. Okay, I'm gonna quickly rinse it. Okay, look at that. It looks so much better. Okay guys, I'm cleaning it with dish soap now in the sink so that you guys can see what it looks like when it's dry and stuff, and like, you know, like the actual end result, okay? And then I'll do some close-ups. Oh, this dish soap, by the way, smells so nice. It's apple scented and I love it. Quick fact, when I lived in England a long time back, we were drawing trees for like a class thing. I was like 6 or something, and we had to like draw apple trees. And I was, and I looked at the drawing of like the kid next to me, and I was like, "Why are apples red? Apples are green." And then we had like, and she's like, "What? No, apples are like red." And I'm like, "No, they're green." And like, yeah, basically I've only had green apples for like my entire life till that day, and she probably only had red apples. So yeah, that was funny. I went home and I was like, "Mom, apples are green, right?" But she's like, "No, you also have like kind of yellowish ones and you have like red ones." And I was like, "Oh, oopsie." So yeah, that's a little fun fact about me. Guys, look, it looks so much better, doesn't it? I mean, it's like new. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna dry the other pan. Remember, this one was a whole lot dirtier. I didn't clean this one that well, I see, but I did do it kind of quickly because we are losing daylight. Guys, look at that. Doesn't it look so much better? Wow, guys, that was a heck of a workout. I mean, my arms are feeling real pumped. I mean, look. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I hope that if you guys try it out, that it works just as well as it does for me. That bigger pan, I think on the side it was still a little bit dirty, but if I like let it sit for a little bit longer, like made that paste like it says in the bottle, or I used like one of those sponges to clean it, that it would have, instead of the cloth, that it would have been like a little bit faster and a little bit better. But yeah, so please like and subscribe and let me know if you've tried it in the comments below. Or if you want to say something else, you can always say hi down there. Don't be shy. So yeah, I hope that y'all have a really nice day.